I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I put a dress on today, I don't care what you say. And I'm ignoring my phone, so don't try to reach me. I can't do nothing for you, so don't ask, I ain't coming through. 'Cause I'm running away to my own world, that's where I'll stay. When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Nothing ever stays the same, there's always room for better days. Now I know how to live life with a smile on my face. Nothing ever stays the same, there's always room for better days. I was crying yesterday, but look at me now. 'Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Say I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
I don't usually cry at all, but wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my presence. restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Lately, you're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. And it don't matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind.
Now that pretty much wraps up my cut, but I don't want to leave you guys with an unfinished cut, so I'm about to attempt to cut the back of my head, only using my iPhone.
If I ever really liked you up against my body, but it's like I'm not beside you. Can't think of a reason I should keep you close. Can't say you're the one I need the most, and I know that you can't say it either. Looking at your mirror like you don't want to be hurt. You're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. And it don't matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind. I know it's been hard and complicated, I know what you know but you never say it. One of these days gotta face the truth, I'm not made for me, I'm not made for you. The best place for me is away from you, lying in bed, I'm never facing you. And I'm hoping that I might make you mad, so every night you won't wanna face me too. Yeah, I can listen.
Alright, so that wraps up today's video. I'm kind of glad I didn't have my mirror, because now that gives you a reason to use whatever you have. Use whatever you have to cut your hair. Your goal is to get better, so as long as you keep cutting, you will get better. I'm pretty sure the back of my head isn't perfect, but I cut it anyway. It's probably jacked up. I don't know, I can't see it. But the whole objective is to get better as you keep cutting your own hair.
No matter how hard they try, 'cause you're never on my mind. One day I woke up with you on my bed. I couldn't even remember a thing we said. I was wondering if I ever really liked you up against my body, but it's like I'm not beside you. Can't think of a reason I should keep you close. Can't say you're the one I need the most, and I know that you can't say it either. Looking at your mirror like you don't want to be hurt. You're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby,